Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to do the remaining exercise of the lesson that we were already studying. That is lesson 5, more about keyboard and mouse. On page number 32, we have an activity time. Okay, we have an activity time on page number 32. So that we are going to do today, and after that some word grid and then some more activities. Okay, so let's get started. Lesson 5. On page number 32. Activity time. So the first question in your activity time is put lines in the places where you would press the space bar key. The first one is done for you. Okay. So the question is, some sentences are given and their space is not given, right? You can see the sentences are written properly, but the space between the words are not given properly, right? So the correction is here only. We have to draw lines wherever spaces should be given, right? सो ये हमें करेक्शन करना है. आपको सेंटेंसेस करेक्टली लिखे हैं लेकिन उसमें जो स्पेस देना है वो नहीं दिया हुआ है. तो उसके करेक्शन के लिए आप क्या करोगे, आपको जहाँ जहाँ स्पेस बार प्रेस करना था, दैट इज स्पेस देना था, वहाँ पे स्पेस दिया नहीं है. सो यू हैव टू ड्रॉ लाइन्स. आपको लाइन्स ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, सो आई टेल यू हाउ. पुट लाइन्स in the places where, listen, I am not writing the full question here as the question is very lengthy. So I am not writing the whole question, I am just writing it in a short way. Now we will start with the sentences. The first one is done for you. That is, Rahul is a boy. राइट, ऐसे आपको एक सेंटेंस दिया हुआ है, उसमें लाइन ड्रॉन है ऑलरेडी, राइट. एग्जाम्पल इज शोन. नाउ इसके हेल्प से हम क्या करेंगे, बाकी सेंटेंसेस भी ऐसे ही करेंगे. सो आप लोग देखना आपकी बुक में सेकेंड सेंटेंस दिया होगा, ओपन द डोर. Right? Now we have to separate the words and give spaces. And for space, what we'll do? We'll draw the lines. है ना? आपको क्या करना है? आपको space देना है. Space देने के लिए आप क्या करोगे? Lines draw करोगे. So first word is open the door. Right? So first we'll draw a line here after open. है ना? Open. Then after the. Is that clear, everyone? Now the next sentence, third. What is your name? Right? What is your name? So the first word is what. Then is. Then your. Then name. Okay? Similarly, fourth one. Happy New Year. Okay. First word is happy. Then second new. The third one is year. Next word. Next sentence. I love my country. Right? Where I is the first word, love is the second, my is third, and fourth is country. Okay? Last one. Take your time. Where take is the first word, your is the second word, and time is the third word. This way you have to separate the words, you have to give spaces between the words in the sentence, and क्योंकि अब ये लिखा हुआ आप स्पेस नहीं दे सकते, so what you have to do is आप लोगों को लाइंस ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, जहां जहां स्पेस देना था वहां क्या करोगे, लाइंस ड्रॉ करना है. Is that clear everyone? Yes. So this was your first question of activity time. Now let's move on to the second one. Here I have drawn the grid, right? And some words are mentioned. Like B, M, D, L, B, N, S, T, D, A, R, W, K, P, C, right? So what is our question? First we will read the question and then we'll solve it, okay? So the question is, fill in box with suitable letters to make different words related to the mouse. Use the hints given below. आपको क्या करना है? You have to fill the box with suitable letters to make different words. आपको different words बनाने के लिए इसमें correct letters fill करने हैं और आपको hints दिया हुआ है साइड में, ठीक है? ये सब माउस से रिलेटेड है और आपको माउस से रिलेटेड कुछ वर्ड बनाना है डिफरेंट लेटर्स यूज करके और हिंट आपको यहाँ दिया हुआ है, राइट? सो दिस यू हैव टू डू इन द वर्ड ग्रिड. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. लेट अस सी द फर्स्ट वन. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट वर्ड? हाउ मेनी लेटर्स आर देयर? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let us see 8-letter word in the box, hint box. काउंट करके देखो जिसमें बिगनिंग में M आ रहा हो और लास्ट में D आ रहा हो. So what is it? Mouse pad, the last hint given. Okay. So we'll write mouse pad here and it is 8-letter word. Right? Let us count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay. Now the next one. Here on the left side 4 letters are there. On the right side 5 letters are there. And the middle B is given. Right? So let us count the boxes first. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. There should be 10 letters in the word. And it should begin from L and end by N. So let us see L से begin होने वाला कौन सा word है? Left. And the end is N. Left button. अब उसे count भी कर लेते हैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, it is 10-letter word. So now we'll write here left button. Left button. Okay. Now the next word, it begins with S and ends with T. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6-letter word. Okay. So 6-letter word begins with S and T is select. Right? So we'll write select here. Is that clear everyone? Next word देखो 4-letter है, D से शुरू हो रहा है और end नहीं पता है, बीच में A भी आ रहा है, sorry. So the word that begins with D, there are 2 words, right? One is drag and one is double click. But only drag is having 4 letters, but the double click is having so many letters. So हमें कितने letters वाला चाहिए? 4 letters. So what we'll write? Drag. D-R-A-G. Drag. Is that clear? The next word starts with P, ends with A. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7 letters should be there. So P से start होने वाला एक ही word दिया है यहाँ पे, that is pointer, right? And how many letters are given? 7, right? So we'll write pointer here. Okay. Now the next one, we'll write this one, okay, which begins with A and ends with W. जिसमें फर्स्ट लेटर क्या है A और लास्ट है W. So let us see. The first word in the hint box is arrow. Starts with A, ends with W, right? So we'll write arrow here. Okay. आपको सिर्फ मिसिंग लेटर्स लिखना है. जो पहले से लेटर्स लिखे हुए हैं उनको वैसे ही रहने देना है और जो खाली बॉक्सेस हैं सिर्फ उन्हें फिल करना है. अब देखो आपका लास्ट वर्ड जो है सिर्फ वही बचा हुआ है. उसमें भी बहुत सारे लेटर्स फिल किए हुए हैं ऑलरेडी. सो विल सी हाउ मेनी लेटर्स आर देयर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 letters and one blank box with the line, right? And also this is the longest word, I think, right? बहुत बड़ा word है ना? और it begins with D and ends with K. There is only one word remaining, that is double click. So we'll write double click. अब एक ही word बचा है हमारे पास, तो हम क्या करेंगे? Double click लिखेंगे. Is that clear, everyone? So this was your word grid exercise from your activity time on page number 33, right? ये कौन से पेज नंबर पे था? पेज नंबर 33 पे. Is that clear, everyone? I hope you all have done. And now see, there is one question asked below. Check it out. Rahul has written his best friend's name. When he passed on the keys, the caps lock key was on or off. जब उसने अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड का नाम टाइप किया तो कैप्स लॉक की उसका ऑन रहा होगा कि ऑफ. देखो पिक्चर में उसने कैपिटल में लिखा है, राइट? आपको हिंट भी दिया हुआ है. कैपिटल में उसने अपने फ्रेंड का नाम लिखा अरिहंत. अब देखो कैपिटल लिखा है मींस कैप्स लॉक ऑन रहा होगा, तभी कैपिटल लेटर्स आए. सो टिक ऑन द वर्ड ऑन एंड ब्लैंक्स में भी फिल करो ऑन. आपको लिखा हुआ है ऐसे ब्लैंक्स है ना, और ब्रैकेट में ऐसे ऑन ऑफ, right? So tick on and fill the blanks with on. Okay? And now the remaining is lab activity, and that we will do when we will go to the lab, है ना? ये आप लोग तभी करेंगे जब हम लोग लैब जाएंगे, क्योंकि we need to look after our keyboards and we have to check the keys and all those exercises. Then only we will be able to do. So many of you may not be having your laptop or computers with you, right? So for this we need laptop, computer or keyboard, right? So this we'll do later when we'll go to the lab. Now we will do the exercises and theory parts. Okay, practicals we'll do when we'll go to the lab. So this was it for today. Now next what we are going to do is test papers that we'll do in next class. Test paper and model paper we'll do in next class. Till that, complete this exercise, learn whatever I have taught you. Okay. So this was it for today. Complete the exercise and keep learning, dear students. Good day, everyone.